Assalamu alaikum, this is Alvina Agha. So this video is basically for a beginner who's new in media industry, maybe a news anchor, program anchor, or a reporter. So I'm also not very senior, but I'm at least not a beginner, or I'm at least not a junior now. I have reached to my mid-career level, so I can give you plenty of tips regarding that. And I worked on multiple news channels, and I worked on print media, English newspapers, magazines, and news channels, obviously Urdu news channels. So yes, start. Let's start with the easiest step, and which will really help you. That is, never go on air unprepared. You don't have to go on air all of a sudden. Yes, maybe you guys can be sent on breaking, or you guys can get an additional assignment. That's something exceptional. But I'm talking about your daily task. You have to be prepared before going on air. Don't do that thing that you guys are studying in makeup room and you guys are studying 10 to 15 minutes earlier. If you guys will do that, you will you will actually look like a disaster on screen, and people would literally realize that you guys haven't studied anything. So always be prepared. And I actually study 4 to 5 hours, and that depends how many hours you guys want to study, because in current affairs beat we have development every minute, so we have to study long hours. So 4 to 5 is probably, I guess, lesser. And if you guys want to study more, you guys can study more as well. So this number one tip, which is study as much as you can, never go unprepared, and look good. Take care of your skin, your hair. Do not go in sleeping suit the way I am sitting in front of you and teaching you guys, because I'm obviously not on air. So you guys have to be properly in a suit, whatever it is. Girls should probably tie up their hair if they're wearing western with coats. That actually looks really nice. And even if they have open hair, the hair should actually look good. And another thing which I personally do and which I personally prefer is, I like wearing light colors on screen. Yes, a lot of anchors wear pop-up colors as well, and they look really nice. But I don't know why planes, vertical strips, geometrical designs, and checks, these sort of prints actually appeal me more, rather than wearing completely fully printed stuff. I do not wear a lot of colorful or a lot of printed stuff. I try to keep it little simpler. And yes, I also do not wear a lot of makeup, because I don't know why I have a lot of allergy from makeup. Even if you guys would see me in real life, you guys would see me tying my hair like that. Right now I have to sleep. I'm actually going to sleep in a while, so that is why I've just tied my hair like that. And you guys can see my attire. I just roam around whole day like that. And when I go on air, obviously there's a need of camera. I just dark my eyebrows. I use mascara. I do little blush, light lip color. That's it, my makeup is done. But anchors usually take 1.5 hour in makeup and hair, minimum 1.5 hour, and I take maximum 15 minutes in my hair and makeup. So that depends what you like, what you don't like. That depends what are the actually requirements of your channel, and that depends what are your personal needs. Like for instance, if you have fair color, please, I actually beg you, do not go for a lot of makeup. It's not just my personal experience, but in general, if you would see, there are fair color people or people with white color. They don't do a lot of makeup, because if they do, they look bad rather than looking good. So if you have a fair color, white skin, do not go for a lot of makeup, just because all the anchors do that. You also don't have to do that, right? So understand your skin tone, understand your personality, and then go like that. For boys, it's just basic hair, and the makeup is obviously light, because the camera don't like the shine of the face. So the boys needs to compact, and probably if you buy, boys use mascara and little actually lip color or lip balm as well. That depends on male anchors, what they prefer, what they don't. And yes, male anchors also go for plain shirts. And if the color shirt is lighter, the coat is darker. And if the coat is lighter, the shirt is darker. This is how boys manages, and boys also look for amazing tie which complements them. And if there's Eid or something, I would prefer do not wear mehendi on screen. That doesn't look good, because initially the day one or second day it might look good, but the other days when you are on here, that looks as if you have some disease, or maybe I don't know, that looks unprofessional. I've never wore mehendi since I've started practicing journalism, because that looks unprofessional to me. But still, it's your own choice, and maybe again your channel's editorial policy. Maybe channel doesn't allow you, because when I was in Bold News, there was no mehendi allowed. There were no brighter colors of nail colors allowed. So you have to have particular SOPs of the channels as well regarding the wardrobe. And yes, there again we wore plain colors, because plain colors or shirts with no prints actually look good on screen rather than printed shirts. And that's all. I think I actually gave you guys the on-screen presence tips and what to do and what not. That's it. In the other video, I might come with other information. Allah Hafiz.